Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be building a hotel feedback form using only HTML5. So let's get into it. First of all, open your VS Code. This is my VS Code. When you open your VS Code, then hold Shift, then exclamation mark and hit enter. We'll name our title Hotel Feedback Form. Then inside the body we'll have H1. We'll also name it Hotel Feedback Form. And have AP elements. Please answer the following question. In building this hotel feedback form, we'll be using a form element in HTML to build this hotel feedback form. A HTML form is used to collect the input data. A form element is a container for different types of input. So when you hit enter, click on form, then hit enter. A form action is where you want the user input to be directed to, but I don't want it to direct to anything. I'll just use hash. And then inside our form element, we'll have H2. Please select your gender. And inside that, we have our first input element, which is radio button. So the type is radio. The ID is male. Then the name is gender. Then we have our label for male. When putting your label for, make sure that it is equivalent with the ID. Make sure it's what you use in your ID. As I use male, so label for male, make sure it's what you use. So you click on male. I'll just copy and paste this thing. Control C, Control V, Control V. Then I'll change this one to female. Then I will change this one to female. And then female. Then I'll change this one to other. Then I'll change this one also to other. So let's see what we have done so far. You go over to this down arrow where they wrote go live. Click on it, go live. It will open in your Chrome browser. So this is what we have done so far. But if you don't want it to align horizontally like this, if you want it to align vertically, you put break in each one. Like I'll put break here, enter, I'll put break here, enter, I'll put break here, enter, then control S. As you can see, it's aligned. So if you're a male, you choose male. If you're a female, you choose female. So the next thing is to tell them our services, what we are doing. In our H2, please rate our services. And then we'll be using the select element. Select. The name we'll be using for the select is service, and the ID service. Inside the select element, we have the option. Our first option value is excellent. Excellent. And I can just copy this thing, Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, and then I will change it. This one will be very good. This one will be good. And this one will be fair. Another Control V. This one will be very poor. So let's save, Control S. See, you can select, please rate our services. You can either select very good, you can select good, or you can select excellent. So the next input element we'll be putting is the checkbox. So we have our H2. Select your favorite menu. Select your favorite menu. We have our input. We have our input. Input type is checkbox. And then we have the ID as rice, and we have the name as favorite menu. We have label for, remember what I say, make sure it corresponds with the ID. Label for rice, and then rice. I can just copy this one, Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, and then I'll change it. Let me choose another menu. Vegetable, vegetable soup with ewedu, ewedu. Let me choose another menu. Then the ID, we have chicken sauce, chicken sauce, then the label for chicken sauce. So another one is coconut rice. Coconut rice. Have label for coconut rice. Coconut rice. The last one we have egg sauce and yam. Egg sauce with yam. Then label for eggs, egg sauce with yam. And then finally egg sauce with yam. So if you hit Control S, this is what we have. But let's put our break sign because I want it to be vertical. So in each here I'll put my break. Put my break. I'll put my break. And then when I hit Control S, as you can see, so you can select as many of your favorite menu that you want. The difference between a radio button and a checkbox is that in radio button you can just select only one of the options, but in checkbox you can just select many from the options. You can just select as many as you like from the option. Then the next thing we are putting is message. Enter your message. Enter your message here. Then we're using our text area. I'll just name it feed message. Then the ID feed message. I can just give it a column, or let me check the default that they gave 3010. When you hit Control S, so this is where you are typing your message, typing whatever you want to type, blah 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 blah. So I can decide to put also a placeholder. Enter your message. As you can see showing inside. And let me put my break before going to the next one. And then finally I'll put my submit button. Submit. The type of input element is submit. And then the value submit. So this is how you build your hotel feedback form. Please follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel.